Hey, 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 Caddyman, coming to you from the Yucatan. Yes, this is what we're going to do. We're going to have a little happy hour via Mexico down at the Yucatan. Angie and I love Mexico. We love to visit Mexico. And since you can't go there right now, why not bring Mexico to you? We're going to give you a very good drink here called the Pineapple Paloma. I'm going to start out. I've got our two glasses. I've already cheated and put a couple of little cherries in there. Get your little ice. 2 ounces of tequila. I'm going to make 2 drinks because we can't shortchange the producer. I'm going to do an ounce of grapefruit juice, ruby red, of course. 1, 2. I'm going to do a ½ ounce of lime juice, which now is turned into 1. Three-fourths of an ounce of agave. And people, if you haven't tried this stuff, this is a godsend. So that makes it an ounce and a half. And as you know, you shake. Oh yeah, this is my favorite part. Now I'm going to pour to our glasses. Look at that. Don't you love the color? Then you top off with Mexican pineapple soda, which has no fructose. Look at this. Look at this. Anyone who hadn't had this before or hadn't tried it, you got to. It's to die for. It's a summertime special. Try it tomorrow. See you soon.